Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jacobs. Organic food, it's a hot topic these days. But what does it really mean? Simply put, organic refers to how farmers grow and process food. Think no synthetic pesticides, no artificial fertilizers, and no genetically modified organisms or GMOs. It's about working with nature, not against it. On the other hand, non-organic food production often relies on these synthetic inputs. Farmers may use chemical pesticides to protect crops from insects and diseases. They might use fertilizers to boost growth. The goal of organic farming is to produce food while keeping the environment and human health in mind. It's about sustainability and respecting the delicate balance of nature. When it comes to nutrition, the debate between organic and non-organic food gets interesting. Some studies suggest that organic fruits and vegetables may contain higher levels of certain nutrients, like vitamins and antioxidants. This could be because organic farming practices might enhance soil health, leading to more nutrient-rich crops. The truth is, the nutritional value of any food, whether organic or not, can vary depending on several factors, including growing conditions, soil quality, and the specific variety of the crop. The key is to focus on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. The debate over the health impacts of organic versus non-organic food is a hotbed of research. Some studies have linked organic food consumption to a reduced risk of certain health problems. For instance, one study found that children who ate a primarily organic diet had lower levels of pesticides in their bodies. Some studies show a 40% increased risk of several types of cancer when consuming foods containing pesticides. The food we eat has a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. It's not just about calories and macronutrients, it's about the quality and source of our food. Organic is cheaper in the long run, when considering the cost of chemotherapy and radiation treatments resulting from consuming pesticide-laden foods. What we eat can influence our energy levels, our mood, and even our susceptibility to chronic diseases. If you're looking to take control of your health, consider exploring how different foods make you feel. Pay attention to how your body responds to what you eat. For a personalized approach to optimizing your health through food, I invite you to learn more about the ASTR diet. Check out my book, Eat to Heal. This approach emphasizes whole unprocessed foods and tailors dietary recommendations to your unique needs and goals. Remember, the power to transform your health lies, in part, with the choices you make on your plate.